Okay, we're going to learn how to upload grades from Excel to Moodle. The first thing that we have to do is to get the list of our students in our classes in order to grade their homework and so on. So we go to grades in the administration section. Yes. Then we go to export. We export to Excel spreadsheet. We don't need this information because we don't have any grade yet, so we just unselect them, download, and then we get a file on Excel that with all the information that we need and also some information that we don't. Yes, so we just get rid of this information. And there you have all the data that we need of our classes. I'm going to change just this heading. I will let you know why later. Yes. And that's the way we're going to compare our two files in order to match the grades with the students, of course. And after we have worked with all the grades and so on, we can have all the results here, and we can have as well some feedbacks of our evaluations. Yes. And after recording this file on Excel, we're going to do something else. We're going to save as. There it is. We're going to change this for texto delimitado por tabulaciones. Yes, it is somewhere here. Then we're going to check if we have the web options in the right way. Yes, we have the Unicode UTF-8, so we don't change it. If we don't, of course, we have to look for this option, and then we save. Of course, we accept, we don't care about the format, and then we can go to Moodle in order to upload these grades that we have here. Okay. As you can see, I have already created some options for our homework and so on. We're going to see how to create these categories and items right away. We're going to go to Gradebook Setup. There you are. We're going to add a category. In this case, for example, in this case will be final homework. Yes, that's for you can call it in the way you want, of course, but this is something that I just came up with. Save changes. Don't use the weights yet because we were gonna change it later. So the other category will be a final exam. Yes, final exam. Save changes. And there you have the 4 categories that we're going to work with. Yes, the midterm homework, the midterm exam, the final homework, the final exam. Yes, as you can see, we have a category, but we have some items in each category. How we create this? We just go to add grade item. In this case, we're going to call it just oral midterm. This is very important. Please, if you don't change this, the default one, it will go to the whole course, but we want it to be in the middle, in the midterm exam. Yes, and we just save changes, and that's it. It is there, here and here. I want to create as well another item that will be, for example, for online meter online meter. Yes, on purpose I'm not going to change it the default category, just to see that we can, if we see that we made a mistake or so, we can just solve it in just by using this cell. We check it there, move select items to meter exam, and that's it. It will be there. Okay, perfect. So that's the way how you can create categories, how you can create items in each category. As I told you before, you don't need to change this because we will do it at the end. The final homework will be 20 points. The final exam will be 30 points. So here we change it as well. Save changes, and that's it. Okay, perfect. I decided that my first homework is over 6, the other one's out of 10, and the other one is the maximum they can get is 4. Okay, you can see here, for example, that if I check by user report, let's pick Christian, for example. He has no grades yet. Yes, that's what we're gonna do now. So we go to administration, grade administration, and then we use the option import. We choose the CSV file. You can choose a file by searching on your computer, but I prefer to use the option of dragging something. Yes, this is the one. This is the Excel one. We don't need that one. We need the other one that's in text. Yeah. So we just drag it and just put it there. That's it. Please, the default chooses comma. We have to change it to tab and upload graded, and then there you have. This is the reason why I changed it to email, so it will be easier for me to just recognize it and to see that in the Excel one the map from is from email, and in Moodle it is recognized as email address. Yes, so it will come from email in my Excel from to Moodle email address. Okay, when we don't need to change anything, something like name, last names or emails, we just ignore these options. But of course we have to match the homework one with homework 1.1. That's the way I name it in Moodle. Yes, the feedback homework 1 to feedback homework 1.1, and we continue doing the same with the rest of the homework. Okay, let me see here. There. Yes, it is there. So there you can see we create these other ones, feedback or midterm and feedback for online midterm, and the respective grades for them. So we just ignore them because when we have these grades, we just do the same process, but we ignored these other grades that will be already in the system. So this is the way we just upload grades. There you are. Continue. And here you can check any of these grades and they are there. Okay, there it is. It's like magic. Yes. Okay. Okay. Well, that's the way we can do it. Just one more thing. And let me see how. Where was it? Since it was single view. That's correct. You know, Manpreet just told me that I made a mistake with her last homework. It was I don't know why, but it was no, it was her second homework. You know, she sent the homework, but I didn't see it somehow, so I can change it here. You know, something like, I don't know. She got a really good homework there, so she got 9. Of course, I had to change the feedback as well. Sorry, Manpreet. And yeah, we just save it. That's the way we change it. You know, when you don't have to go through this whole process again just for one grade. And there you have Manpreet. I will check it here. User report. Manpreet. Okay, Manpreet, there you are. You have 9. So please stop calling me and saying lo que pasa es que. Yes, so now you have your grade. Thank you very much. Please, if you need something, just let me know and I will try to do my best to help you, okay? Bye bye.